So I've been sick for the past week or so I haven't been out here really. But I knew today I was feeling better. Actually yesterday I was, so knew I wanted to do something on the camper today, so I cut out this hole for the switch panel, and then I'm like, oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna start drawing out where the studs are in the walls. So I kind of mapped out the passenger side wall here. Shows you where all the different studs are if I have to mount anything ever. And then I'm like, oh, kind of want to get these exterior lights to figure out where those are. And then that led into just kind of wiring everything in and getting all that set. So yeah, wiring is going in. I just drilled holes through the frame. I don't know how else you do it, because there's going to be wood here, wood on top, so it has to go in here. So it should be okay, I think. It's only a couple holes. So we got the rear. This is going to be the rear, at the rear lights, or if we run anything in the back, this will be that one. Runs all the way to the back. And then we got, this will be the middle one, is going to be the light switch for the switch panel. That's going to go right in here. We got two exterior lights running down here. And then I got to run in the interior lights, which kind of want to space them out even somewhere. So I think I'm going to put them up one on each side here, and then kind of in that triangle here and triangle up in here. Fan's going to go up in there, so I got the wire for the fan on the left side. That's just kind of hanging up over there. So I'll put in the wires for the 4 interior lights here. There's going to be 2 interior lights in the back too. I'll just put some wires in for those 2, and maybe probably just run them down on the side here. There'll be some kind of a switch panel somewhere over here or in a cabinet. I don't know, maybe I'll have it on the ceiling, I don't know. Somewhere back here will be a switch for those lights up in here. So get those wires in, and then I don't know, I was gonna do cut the paneling for this front piece. Not sure if I'll get to that today. I was gonna I gotta make another 2x2 across on the top here to mount the ceiling panels, which, yeah, I'm not sure how that's gonna work. They're gonna be like 3 inches too short. So I'm thinking if I put trim on everything, can maybe gain a couple inches. There's going to be a wall that I got to build here. So if I put a wall in, that'll give me a couple inches there too, probably 2 inches here for the wall. Half inch here, half inch there. It'll kind of add all add up, I think. So, because it's 8 feet long, the trailer, but you got that angled piece which adds another couple inches on. So, yeah, there you have it. Building a camper isn't always, oh, let's build this awesome wall today or do this and that. Sometimes it's just putting on wire sheathing protection stuff. So I've been out here like an hour putting this black stuff over all the wires to help protect it. So that's the project for today. I'll put 2 inside paneling pieces on today and see if we do any more for that. Gonna get some glue out and glue it and then screw it with some brown screws I got. It's raining right now and the garage is leaking, so that's fun. That is going to look really Today I'm working on this panel, front wall. Okay, got the front panel in. I got a piece across the top in the front to mount the ceiling to. Realized that the wiring isn't going to be able to go up there, so I kind of notched some grooves in that piece of wood I just put in, so that the wiring can run through the middle of the roof. So now we're cutting these pieces of shiplap for the ceiling. I'm going to cut them 76 inches long each, and then I'm going to cut some kind of angle to tie it in for the angle piece in the front, I think, and that should be okay. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. You know what? I just realized I'm out of assembly or construction adhesive, and I wanted to use that for this. So maybe I'll just cut them and get them cut, lined up and everything, it's ready to go, and then some other time I'll have to glue it in there and do that. But wonder if I can make a wall or something today too. We'll see how it goes. I don't know how long I want to be out here even. It's actually really nice out, but weekends I like to relax. I got my tires swapped over from a friend this morning, and then I went and bought a suit from Men's Warehouse, and that took an hour, and got back here at 1, so here we are. It's 3 o'clock already, and it'd be nice to relax a little bit, so we'll see how far I get in this thing. Boards are 12 bucks a piece, so I kind of got to be careful how I cut them. I already messed up one, but I was able to save it, so not a big deal. This will be the front wall outside. Let's try to cut it with this beast once. Really sucks that I can't, that the trailer's 5 feet wide, because I gotta cut 3 feet off of every sheet of 4x8 to get my 5 feet of width, and then I get this for the length of the trailer. So I gotta do 5 feet here, and I got 20 inches, I think, 20 3/4. So I can make this piece. Hopefully I can get enough out of that one for the next section. But one positive is I got another sheet over there to do on the sides of the fan, so that might actually work out pretty good. And I'm not really worried about the seams because it's all going to be fiberglass anyway, so that'll be good. Okay, this piece of it looks like it'll fit pretty good. Put this one up here. That looks like it'll fit pretty good too. Okay. That's too long. Yeah, probably cut it on the wrong side again. That looks good. That is, yeah, that's really nice actually. Yeah, it's just 2 inches too long. Cut that off and do these smaller pieces. Just use extra plywood I have laying around, which will be really nice. And then we got probably one more for the back section, and the whole roof is cut. Coming along, I'd say. This really didn't take as long as I thought it would. Pretty cool. Then we'll have everything cut except for the back hatch. And I'm kind of putting that off because I don't really know what to do with it. So, that'll be interesting.